Hello campers and bushcrafters, Donnie Pavellini with Donnie Pavellini Outdoors. Survival. Part of the parts about surviving is eating, not just temperature control, but not just hydration, but ingesting calories and getting food. And doing that, sometimes it'll take you to some of the most treacherous, god-awful terrains that you can imagine. I mean, some really rough places. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Yes, sirree. Treacherous. Look out. Just kidding. Actually, this is a really cool place down here on the coast. Daffy's on the river bar. And anyway, we're going to try out my new Hobo fishing reel today. So I hope you'll join me. Hobo fishing reel. I tell you what, the pharmaceutical industry has come up with yet another miracle. A way to make a fishing kit with big pill bottle. This one was given to me by Mart with Manland 121. Check him out on YouTube. But this is it, the kit itself. On it I have a lanyard to keep me from losing it. Okay, got my line, got my rig. What I have here is just a small, very inexpensive blade, a little razor blade, okay? If I need it. I've got a large bobber. This is my mini Altoids tackle box. In it I have some of these very small bobbers, okay? I've got fish hooks, assorted sizes. I have two sizes of sinkers. I've got the very small, and I have just regular piece sinkers, okay? But that's about all I'm going to need for the type of fishing I'm going to do today. And if you fish, you got to have bait. And this is some of the Berkeley Gulp corn baits. I want to get some worms and some grubs to put in there as well. They're made by Berkeley. They're great. Now we're going to take a look at casting it itself. Okay, got my line around here. Just simply take it out, get it down here. Now I normally throw right-handed, but because of this being a hobo reel, I want to be able to control the action with my right hand. So I'm going to cast left-handed to leave my right hand free. Okay? Just simply hold it, draw back. There you go. Right now I've got this very lightweight cork and rig, very light sinkers and so forth. I don't want to cast that far out. I don't need to. It's light. I'm trying to show how the miniature tackle is going to work. Now on the subject of the tackle and rigging itself, having like bobbers and things like that in the mini Altoids tin, what I'm trying to show is how to use miniature tackle. I've got the very small sinkers on there and a very small hook, okay? And that little dude, believe it or not, is gonna, let me step to the side, there we go. That little thing right there will catch a variety of sizes of fish. So I'm gonna bait this thing up and we're gonna try our luck. Okay, we got us a piece of Berkeley corn on here and let's give it a shot. Another way to cast this is just take the line out, throw it this way. Well, folks, all we're getting today is a minnow pecks. I'll show you. Show you again. Today ain't a good day for fishing. Very confident in my rig though. Love the way it operates. Surprised. Alright guys, I changed my locations. Now the tide right now is falling, so I'm going to give her a shot over here. I'm using this Berkeley corn like I was telling you. I haven't used it before, so we give it a shot. Nothing. Well, it turns out, damn it, no fish today. Okay, so the first go round we didn't catch any fish, and I think I know why. The fishing kit didn't have a pouch. Whipped this little leather pouch up and let some of this water clear up a little bit after this rain we've had and stuff. So I'm going to try it again, a little bit different spot. Let's see if we can catch fish with this little survival fishing kit. For bait, I'm still using the gulp corn, and the reason is because this gulp corn will keep in my survival kit and it's ready to go. If it doesn't work, I brought some bread balls that I may try. Remember, in survival, start with small things working up to bigger things. Catch a small fish, you could use the entrails to use for both fish bait and for small scavenging mammals. So let's see what we got out here. Well, campers and bushcrafters, look what we got here. Come here, little buddy. Fishy, fishy, fishy. Yep, I just got this little bad boy. God dang it. And I couldn't be happier. We're going to go down there and try it again. But hopefully we can catch another one. And I can get the daggum thing on film. Well, now ain't that fine? How do you do? Got one. Hobo fishing rig works. Give her a shot. Guys, gals, if you like what you see here on Donnie Pavlini Outdoors, do me a solid and like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be very, very grateful. From Donnie Pavlini Outdoors to you and yours, as always, we'll see you in the woods. Take care. Go fishing.